This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Our goal with our videos is to empower you to be able to do the repairs on your own and save a whole lot of money and also get that great feeling of having fixed it by yourself. Today we're going to talk about some maintenance issues for the Bosch dishwasher. These are things you can do to just keep it working well and cleaning really well. So one thing that's important to always rinse your dishes so that the machine has less particulate matter that may get caught. And we want to make sure that this filter is always locked into position. To lock it, you just turn the filter handle until the two black arrows, sometimes they're blue arrows, line up. And you want to lift it and make sure it can't come off. And if it does lift up, then you can pull things into the mechanism, and then the food will get pushed out through these little holes in the spray arms. And this one has a couple of things caught in it, so we're going to clean it. But when things are caught in the spray arms, it can't shoot water onto the dishes and it won't clean very well. This is always due just to the fact that the filter doesn't get locked in. I'm going to remove the upper spray arm by turning a little nut underneath it, just about a quarter turn. I can pull this spray arm off and just check these holes, these jets, to make sure they're clear. This one, there was some broken glass caught in it, so I put it over the sink and I tilted it back and forth until the debris fell out. When you're done, you can just push it back up in and turn it a quarter turn to lock it in. You can make sure you clean the filter. This is the air gap, part of the drain mechanism. I took the silver cap off, I spinned off the top, and then inside the little blue tube here you may find some debris that's blocking the drain. With it open, if you did have a clog, you could also try pushing something down into that hole to try to clear out the obstruction. Sometimes you get like a seed caught in here. I'm using a really strong, long screwdriver to push down into that tube. So making sure that's clear, and I'll just put that back on and put the silver cap back on. So these are some things that can help you to keep your Bosch dishwasher running really well. They're great dishwashers, very quiet, and they have some of the highest consumer ratings. So thanks so much for watching, and please subscribe when you get a chance.